Hi. Are you ready for some spelling? How good are you at spelling? I hope you are very good. Now we are going to look at a paragraph. You are going to read it carefully. Try to guess the words and fill in the missing letters. تحذروا الكلمشية وتكملوا الأحرف الناقصة. You can pause the video if you like, or you can go through them with me. It's up to you. First word. The first word is abides by. Here we have 4 letters missing. They are in order B, D, E, B. Number 2, colleagues. We have 4 also letters missing. The letters in order are C, E, A, U. Colleagues. Number 3, casual. We have A, U, A. Casual. 4, dress code. D, E, O, E. Dress code. And number 5, conduct. O, D, C. Conduct. And last word is exemplary. Exemplary. E, B, A, Y. Exemplary. I hope you got them right. See you.